Cooking for a family may be time-consuming, especially if you lack the necessary kitchen gear and appliances, such as a high-performance pasta machine. The finest pasta makers for families are made for your convenience, allowing you to quickly prepare huge amounts of pasta of any sort. Some of the best pasta makers for families are listed below. These pasta makers also come with a noodle cutter, are simple to build, and are built of sturdy rust-resistant materials that offer outstanding results even with continuous usage. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5 on our list. We have the Electric Tea Pasta Maker, highest quality pasta machine. Sometimes the biggest issue with a pasta maker can be assembling and disassembling the parts, especially when it's time to clean it after each use. The Electric Tea Pasta Maker is designed with cleanup in mind. Easily remove the rollers and cutters to access difficult areas. But more importantly, this extremely affordable pasta maker still comes with the essential features to make it worthwhile when in use. This model comes with a clamp, hand crank, and pasta cutter that enables you to make spaghetti and fettuccine noodles. Adjust the thickness with the built-in knob and choose a size between 0.2 to 0.6 millimeters. Best of all, the chrome and nickel-plated steel give this a solid look that's easy to clean. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 4 on our list. We have the Isolar 150 Roller Pasta Maker. You don't have to pay a lot to own a pasta maker that offers versatility and is easy to clean. The Isolar 150 Roller Pasta Maker is made of a sturdy aluminum alloy construction that makes it easy to clean. You can completely disassemble the parts to thoroughly clean the rollers. But more importantly, you'll like that you can control the thickness and width of the pasta. Adjust the cutting width to between 2 and 6.6 millimeters and choose between 9 thickness settings that range from 0.3 to 2.6 millimeters. You'll also like that the Isolar model comes with a pasta cutter and a clamp for easier operation. At number 3 on our list. We have the Shul Pasta Maker. Some people like to show off their latest kitchen gadget. And if this is you, the Shul stainless steel Steamline Pasta Maker is the perfect conversation piece that converts into a functional appliance you'll use time after time. This budget-friendly pasta maker comes with all the essentials you need to make some of the most common types of pasta. A clamp holds the appliance securely to a surface, while the pasta cutter can shift between 2 widths, and the adjustable knob can change the thickness of your pasta to one of 7 positions from 0.5 to 3 millimeters. Plus, the stainless steel construction means that this will be a sturdy appliance. Simply wipe or brush it to keep it clean. It's easier than the best microwave popcorn. At number 2 on our list. We have the Marcato Atlas 150 Pasta Machine. Marcato is a name in the culinary world that stands for quality, which is why their Atlas 150 machine is our top pick. In addition to offering solid Italian construction, this medium-sized pasta maker comes with a pasta cutter, hand crank, and a clamp to securely hold this appliance in place during operation. This device features sturdy steel construction to guarantee durability. Home chefs will appreciate that they can use the adjustable knob to change the thickness of their pasta from 0.6 to 4.8 mm and make sheets of pasta up to 150 mm in width. While they don't come with this machine, serious pasta makers have the option to separately purchase 13 accessories from Marcato for more variety in their pasta production. You also can't go wrong with the best stainless steel cookware. And finally, at number 1 on our list, we have the Pasta Maker Machine Hand Crank. Regardless of whether you're a budding pasta maker or you're an old pro, you might not always have it in your budget to buy a pricier model. But that doesn't mean you can't find a great pasta maker that has more than the basics. The Oxford Pasta Maker Machine Hand Crank is a great option for all levels of home chefs, and that's why it's our best budget and best value selection. Not only does this model come with a hand crank, clamp, and pasta cutter, but it also includes 3 pasta blades. With the blades, you can make various noodles including angel hair, spaghetti, linguine, and fettuccine. Use the adjustable knob to customize your pasta's thickness from the 9 settings that range from 0.2 to 0.6 millimeters. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.